Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. Today I'm going to teach you about distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. The first numbers are A is 3, 3 and B is 3, 10. Okay. First point, we will label it as x1, y1. Second point, we will label it as x2, y2. And the distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. What is x2 now? 3. 3 minus x1 is 3 whole square plus y2 is 10. 10 minus 3 whole square. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 square is 0. Plus 10 minus 3 is 7 square. Square root of 7 square is root and 1 by 2 will get cancelled because 7 to the power of 2 whole to the power of 1 by 2. We have a formula a to the power of m whole to the power of n is a to the power of mn. So 7 to the power of 2 by 2, 7 to the power of 1 is 7. Okay, or square root of 49 is 7. You can do either ways, okay? Or okay. The distance between 2 points, okay? Second example, A is 7 comma minus 3 and B is negative 1 comma 5. First step, you have to label the points. The first point we will label it as x1, y1. Second point we will label it as x2, y2. The distance between the 2 points is given by the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In this question, x2 is minus 1 minus 7 whole square. Y2 is 5 minus of minus 3 whole square. Okay, because there in the formula we have minus and in y1 is again minus 3. Minus 1 minus 7 is minus 8 whole square. And 5 plus 3 whole square, which is 8 square. 8 square minus 8 square is nothing but minus 8 times minus 8, because you have two negative numbers, you'll get the answer positive. Positive 64 and 64. Okay. Here we can write it as square root of 128 or 2 times 64. We know that square root of 64 is 8. 8 square root of 2. Square root of 64 is 8 and it is square root of 2. If you have a doubt in finding the square roots, you can watch my video related to the square roots. The third example, A is 4 comma negative 5 and B is minus 8 comma 7. Label the first point as x1, y1, second point as x2, y2. The distance between the 2 points is given by the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is x2 now? Negative 8 minus 4 whole square and y2 is 7 minus of minus 5 whole square. Minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12 square. And here it is 7 plus 5, which is 12 square. Negative 12 times negative 12 is 144. And here 7 plus 5 is again 12 square. 12 square is nothing but 144, which we can write it as 288, or we can do 2 times 144. We know square root of 144 is 12. The answer will be 12 radical 2. Okay. Coming to the last example, A is 7 comma 9 and B is minus 2 comma minus 3. Label the first point as x1 y1, second point as x2 y2, and we have to write the distance formula. Please, when you guys are practicing the questions, for every question write the formula, then automatically it will be easy for you to practice for your final test, or else you'll not remember the formulas. Okay, x2 value is negative 2, x1 is minus 7. Y2 is negative 3, and in the formula we have minus. Y1 is 9 whole square. Minus 2 minus 7 is minus 9 whole square. Minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12 whole square. Minus 9 whole square is nothing but minus 9 times minus 9, which is 81. Minus 12 square is nothing but minus 12 times minus 12, which is 144. And square root of 81 plus 144 equal to 225, and square root of 225 is 15. I hope I gave you a clear idea about finding the distance between 2 points. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.